Hello, little reader. Welcome to Joyce's Cozy Book Nook, a cozy corner for little readers. I'm so glad you're here. Are you ready for a cozy story? Today's story is called The Bundle of Sticks. It's a story about being strong and how sometimes we're strongest when we stay close and help one another, even when things feel hard. This is a gentle retelling adapted just for you. Now snuggle up and let's get cozy together. Long ago, in a small village at the edge of a peaceful forest, there lived an old man and his children. They worked side by side each day, but often they did not agree. Small words turned into sharp ones. Feelings were hurt, and sometimes they pulled away from one another. The old man watched quietly. One afternoon, he asked his children to gather round. In his hands, he held a bundle of sticks, tied together with twine. "Who would like to try something?" he asked gently. One by one, the children stepped forward. Each child tried to bend the bundle. They pushed, they pulled, they strained with all their strength. But the bundle did not break. The old man smiled and untied the twine. Then he handed each child a single stick. "This time," he said softly, "try again." The sticks snapped easily, one after another. The children looked at the broken pieces in their hands. The old man gathered the sticks back together and tied them once more. "Each of you is strong," he said, "but when you stay connected, you are stronger still." Then the children understood. They did not feel scolded. They did not feel ashamed. They felt steady and safe. They knew now that being together did not mean never disagreeing. It meant staying close, even when things felt hard. Not long after, the children were sent to gather wood near the forest path. At first, they walked together quietly. Then one child hurried ahead, eager to finish first. His bundle slipped from his arms. The sticks scattered. One rolled into the brush, another caught beneath a stone. He tugged and pulled, growing tired and frustrated. For a moment, he stood alone. Then his siblings noticed. They stopped what they were doing. They came back, not with sharp words, but with helping hands. One lifted the stone. Another gathered the fallen sticks. Together, they tied the bundle once more. The load was lighter now. The work felt easier. When they returned home, the children told their father what had happened. The old man listened, his eyes warm. "You remembered," he said. "Strength grows when it is shared." The children smiled, standing close. And the lesson stayed with them, not as broken sticks, but as something stronger, bound together. This story reminds us that connection builds resilience. Children don't need to agree to stay close. They just need to feel safe, belonging. Thanks for reading with me today, and come back soon for more cozy stories right here at Joyce's Cozy Book Nook, a cozy corner for little readers. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a story. Until next time, keep reading, keep imagining, and stay cozy.